myself Dr. Deepa Bevengidal, working as Associate Professor in S.G. Balakundri Institute of Technology, Belagavi. In this video, we will be discussing numerical integration. Means we are integrating definite integral or we are obtaining the value of definite integral by using numerical techniques. So here actually we are not integrating the function. If it is difficult also, which cannot be integrable, that can be solved by using this numerical integration. Here we will be studying the three methods. One is Simpson's 1/3 rule, Simpson's 3/8 rule and Weddles rule. Here important thing is you have to by heart these formulae, or instead of by hearting you should understand the formula here. Just compare Simpson's 1/3 rule and Simpson's 3/8 rule. I means we are evaluating definite integral a to b, some function is there, f of x dx. We are evaluating this, that is I is equal to h by 3. H is equal to it is b minus a by n. B is upper limit, A is lower limit, and N is number of equal strips, that is N. So H by 3. Here all X i's are x1, x2, x3 are at a definite interval, that is H is definite. So B minus A by N. Simpson's 1/3 means H by 3, y0 plus yn. Y0 is initial value of y, yn is final value of y, plus 4, y1 plus y3 plus so on, yn minus 1. Here 4 is there, here we are taking only odd numbers of n, that is 1, 3, 5, and finally yn minus 1. Here final term, that is last term, is also important. Up to what value of y you have to consider, that is also important. Plus 2 into y2, y4 plus yn minus 2. Only multiples of 2 are there. In this way you have to remember the formula. In Simpson's 3/8 rule, 3/8, that is 3h by 8, y0 plus yn, y0 plus yn. Means in both the rules, first term is same. Next, plus 3 y1 plus y2 plus y4 plus y5 up to yn minus 1. Here y3 is not there. Here 3 is there. Here y3 is not there. Plus 2 into y3 plus y6 plus up to yn minus 3. Here we take multiples of 2. Here we take multiples of 3. So just compare both and try to remember the formula instead of by hearting it. Next, one more is Weddles rule. I is equal to, here it is 3h by 10. It is very easy to remember this formula. Just observe this, y0, y1, y2, y3, y4, y5, y6 is there. All are in continuous form, and just observe the coefficients. 1, 5, 1, 6, 1, 5, 1. If you remember this 1, 5, 1, 6, 1, 5, 1, easily you can write Weddles rule. Now Simpson's 1/3 rule is applied when n is multiple of 2. N is multiple of 2. And Simpson's 3/8 rule is applied when n is multiple of 3. Weddles rule is applied when n is multiple of 6. So if it is multiple of 6, then we can use either Simpson's 1/3 rule or 3/8 rule or Weddles rule. Now we will solve examples based on these three methods. Here calculation part is important using calci. So take calci while solving the examples. Better you calculate and enter the values. Let us consider example. Evaluate integration 0 to 6 dx by 1 plus x square by using Simpson's 1/3 rule, 3/8 rule and Weddles rule. by using all these three methods. So here what we need to find out? Integration 0 to 6 dx by 1 plus x squared. First we have to construct the table here. Before that, what is a is equal to? It is lower limit. B is equal to upper limit 6. N is equal to. Here for Simpson's 1/3 rule, it should be multiple of 2. We can take 2, 4, 6 like that. N is equal to. Here it is 3, 6 like that we have to take. If it is 6, all 3 can be applied. So we will consider it is not given here. We can take N is equal to 6. So what is H is equal to? H is equal to B minus A by N. That is 6 by 6. So H is equal to 1. So we have to start the value of X from 0 to 6, keeping one interval. That is keeping the difference 1 is equal to 1. In that way we have to construct the table. So how to construct the table? First value, X value, and this is Y. X value start with 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Respectively, you have to find out Y value. Just in this one, put X equal to 0, you will get Y value. X equal to 0, you will get 1. X is equal to 1, that is 1 by 2, 0.5. Then X is equal to 2, you will get 0.2, 0.1. Always take up to 3 decimal places to get accurate value. 0, 5, 884, 0.0385, 0.027. Just you also calculate. It is in place of X, just substitute 1, 2, 3, 4 like that. We get these values, and we want Y0, Y1 and all. Here only we will write those. For constructing table, you will get 3 marks. Y0, Y1, Y2, Y3, Y4, Y5, Y6. So, always one more thing, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 ordinates. These are called as 7 ordinates. These are not N is equal to. N is equal to is number of equal strips. That is, number of equal strips are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In that way you have to take. If you take N is equal to 7 here, then definitely it is wrong. Next, Simpson's 1/3 rule. Always write the general formula first. According to that, according to N, you can change that general formula. So here N is equal to 6. How to write the formula? I is equal to H by 3 Y0 plus Yn, that is first term plus last term. Y0 plus, here Yn is Y6 plus 4 Y1 plus Y3 up to Yn minus 1. Here N is 6. So Yn minus 1 is 5. Y1 plus Y3 plus Y5 plus 2 into multiples of 2. Y2 plus Y4. Last term is N minus 2. That is 6 minus 2. Y4. It's over. Then you check whether all Y0 to Y6 are there in the formula or not. That is important. And those terms should not be repeated also and should not be omitted also. In that way you have to check. Y0, Y1, Y0, Y1, Y2, Y3, Y4, Y5, Y6. Then your formula is definitely correct. Substitute here all the values. H is 1, H by 3. Y0 is 1 plus 0.027 plus 4. Y1 is 0.5 plus Y3 is 0.1 plus 0.0385 plus 2 into 0.2 plus 0.05884. You will get answer as 1.3662. I is equal to 1.3662. This is Simpson's 1/3 rule. Now we will write formula for Simpson's 3/8 rule. Again we have to change according to n. 3/8 rule, I is equal to 3h by 8. Again y0 plus y6 plus 3 into y1 plus y2 plus up to n minus 1, that is up to y5, 6 minus 1 up to y5, y4 plus y5 plus 2 multiples of 3, y3 up to yn minus 3, last term, up to 6 minus 3, that is y3. Only here you have to stop here, don't write y6 there, because the last term is n minus 3, that is 6 minus 3, 3. We cannot take y6 there. Now again check y0, y1, y2, y3, y4, y5, y6. Then definitely your formula is correct. Now substitute this by using calci, evaluate it. Its answer will be 1.3571. You will get close answers because by using Simpson's 1/3 rule, it was 1.366 something. Here also it should be same because we are evaluating integration 0 to 6 dx by 1 plus x square. It is nothing but its value should be same by using any of the methods. Next is Weddles rule. In Weddles rule, it is very simple. Weddles rule is very simple. So, I is equal to 3h by 10 y0. This formula won't change. Anyhow, you have to substitute the values. Y0 is 1 plus 5, y1 is 0.5 plus y2 is 0.2 plus 6 into 0.1 plus y4 is 0.05884 plus 5 into y5 0.0385 plus y6 0.027, and answer is, even we can calculate this, 1.3735. Actually Weddles rule is more accurate method. By using this we will get more accurate value. Next we will consider one more example. Use Simpson's 1/3 rule. It is on Simpson's 1/3 rule. I will write the example here. Use Simpson's 1/3 rule to find integration 0 to 0.6 e raised to minus x square dx. So if you find its integration, it is very difficult. We cannot find out manually here. E raised to minus x square, we cannot integrate it. So by using easily numerical methods, we can find out its value. So it is between 0 to 0.6 e raised to minus x square dx. Here given problem is use Simpson's 1/3 rule to find this f of x by taking 6 sub-intervals. 6 sub-intervals means it is n is equal to 6. Then what is a is 0, b is 0.6. So h is equal to b minus a by n, that is 0.6 by 6. It is 0.1. And it is Simpson's 1/3 rule. Simpson's 1/3 rule is applied for 2, 4, 6, 8. So n is equal to 6 here. What is a? A is 0. We have to start with 0 and at 0.6, taking equal interval at a difference of 0.1. In that way we have to take x values. For that one, construct the table here. X values start from 0 0.1, 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, 0.5 up to 0.6. 0.6. These should be 7 numbers because n is equal to 6 means 7 ordinates. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now calculate y. So to calculate y, here e raised to minus x square is there. Take calc with you. How to calculate this? Okay. So here to calculate this, just in calc you try this. Shift ln in bracket minus x square, x to the power 2. So sometimes we get difficult to find out with calc also. So how will you find out? Shift ln minus x square, because you know the method and you know the formula, but if you are not familiar with finding e raised to minus x square, then it will be difficult and you cannot find the table also. Then you will not get any marks, only you get 1 mark for that. By using that, calculate table values. They are 1.99, 0.9608, 0.9139, 0.8521, even you can calculate this, 0.7788, 0.6977, y0, y1, y2, y3, y4, y5, y6. Now again write the formula, general formula of Simpson's 1/3 rule. Then n is equal to 6. In the previous example also it was 6. Write down y is equal to h by 3. H is 0.1 by 3. y0 plus y6 plus 4 y1 plus y3 plus y5 plus 2 y2 plus y4. Find the value. Substitute this and find the value. Its answer is 0.5351. 0.5351. So in this example, anyhow, if you are prepared for the exam, that is Simpson's 1/3 rule or 3/8 or Weddles, definitely you will write the formula, and calculating this is important. For that one I have given there. Just follow that to calculate y values here. Then substitute using calc, obtain the answer. Let us consider next example. Compute the value of integration 0.2 to 1.4 sin x minus log x plus e raised to x dx using Simpson's 3/8 rule. Here n is not given, but a is equal to 0.2, b is equal to 1.4. Here it is Simpson's 3/8 rule. We can take 3, 6, 9 like that. 3 will be very less, so we will take n is equal to 6. We can choose n is equal to 6. A is 0.2, b is 1.4, and what is h is equal to? H is equal to b minus a divided by n, and its value is 0.2. Its value is 0.2. So here h is equal to 0.2. In this example, while calculating y, you have to be very careful. Here sin x is there, so you have to keep your calc in radian mode, then calculate. Otherwise problem will be wrong. So table values will be x is equal to 0.2 and difference is 0.2. X 0.2, 0.4, 0.6, 0.8, 1, 1.2, 1.4. Then n is equal to 6 means this should be 7. Y. So keep your calc in radian mode, that is important. And log to the base is not given, so take ln. Take ln and evaluate these values. Answers will be 3.0295, 2.7975, 2.8976, 3.1660, 3.5597, 4.0698, 4.4042. Y0, Y1, Y2, Y3, Y4, Y5, Y6. So here Simpson's 3/8 rule. We'll write the formula. I is equal to 3h by 8. Y0 plus Yn is Y6 plus 3 Y1 plus Y2 up to Yn minus 1 means up to Y5 plus Y4 plus Y5 plus 2 Y3. Yn minus 3 is 3 only, Y3. Check all the values are there or not. Y0 to Y6 and find the answer. Its value is 4.030. 4.030. We'll solve one more last example. It is find the approximate value of integration 0 to pi by 2 root cos theta d theta by Simpson's 1/3 rule by dividing the interval 0 to pi by 2 into 6 equal parts. That is n is equal to 6 is also given here. What is A? A is equal to 0 and B is equal to pi by 2. So H is equal to B minus A, that is pi by 2 by 6, pi by 12. So pi by 12 is 15 degree. Pi by 12 is 15 degree. So start with 0, pi by 2 is 90 degree. So 0, 15, 30, 45 up to 90 we have to write. X, Y, 0 degree, 15 degree, 30, 45, 60, 75. These are all in degree. Then 90. Just check they should be 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now here root cos theta is there. So keep your calc in degree mode because we are taking degree. So answers are point. It is 1. This one is 0.98 0.9306, 0.8409, 0.7071, 0.5087, it is 0. It is Simpson's 1/3 rule. So again write Simpson's 1/3 rule. I is equal to h by 3 y naught, here y naught to y6, y naught plus y6 plus 4 y1 plus y3 plus y5 plus 2 y2 plus y4, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So answer is 1.1874. 1.1874. So h you take pi by 12. You take pi by 12, that is 3.142 divided by 12. You will get this answer. So this is about numerical integration. Here important thing is you should know the formula correctly. Then calculation part is important. Carefully you have to enter the values and do the calculation. So if you like this video, like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you.